Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a space and a page inside Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a brand new workspace just for your team or project, and how to add useful content quickly and confidently, so you can start collaborating and organizing ideas without any confusion. Let's dive right in, starting with how to create a space, which is basically your workspace's home base in Confluence. First, you'll want to head over to your Confluence site's homepage. You can get there by clicking the blue logo in the corner or just using your normal bookmark. You can actually do this from any existing space if you're already in Confluence, so don't worry about getting lost. You don't have to backtrack all the way home. Look along the top navigation bar and find the Create button. Clicking this gives you a few options here, where you'll want to either select Space directly, or if you don't see it right away, try opening the Spaces drop-down menu. Inside there, you should spot Create Space. This is your ticket to shaping a brand new workspace. Now it's time to choose what kind of space you want. Think of this as picking the blueprint for how your workspace will be structured. You'll see templates like collaboration space for teamwork, knowledge base for documentation, or just a blank space if you want full freedom. If you're not sure, start with collaboration. It gives you a flexible setup for most needs. Don't stress too much here. You can always adjust pages later as your project grows. After picking your space type, you'll fill in some important details. Give your space a name. A clear, descriptive title works best so your teammates will recognize it at a glance. You'll also set a space key, which is a short, unique ID, kind of like a nickname Confluence uses behind the scenes. You can pick an icon as well, which adds a visual cue to help you spot your space in a long list. If you're an administrator or if you have the right permissions, this is a good moment to adjust who can access or edit this space. Maybe you want it open to everyone or just to a smaller group. Setting permissions now saves headaches later. If you're unsure or can't edit these, just leave the defaults and ask your site admin for help. When you're happy with your choices, go ahead and click Create Space. Now you've just built your own collaborative hub. It really is as easy as that. Confluence will take a moment to set things up and drop you right into your new space, ready for content. Now that you've got a space, let's add your first page. Navigate into the space where you want the new page to live. Think of a space like the folder and a page like a document inside it. Once you're inside, look for the Create button up at the top, or in the Spaces sidebar you might see a + Create button instead. Both ways get you to the same place. Here, where you can pick a template for your page. Maybe you want quick start meeting notes or a project plan, or you can just choose a blank page if you want full control. Templates are super handy for structure, especially if you're not sure what to include, so feel free to explore them. Give your page a clear title. That's what people will see in the sidebar and in search. Then start adding your content. Type text, drop in images, build tables, or even embed diagrams and other elements. Don't rush, take your time arranging your info. Think of this as designing a poster. Organization helps others read and use what you're creating. When you're ready to show your work to your team, find the Publish button in the top right corner. Clicking it makes your page live instantly. If you need to save your work and come back later, you can also use the 3 dots to find Save as Draft. It's great if you're not finished yet or just want some feedback before sharing. There you go, you've created both a workspace and a page in Confluence. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a like. Drop your questions in the comments below. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.